all the time it takes for sweet loving. Listen for fate's whisper, it'll try and warn you, telling your heart to be cautious of a lover trying to harm you. All the girls in LA look like they're fading away. A woman should be strong with thick legs and big arms. No stars in